Hi and welcome to Lesson 5 of Product Filters for WooCommerce, displaying filters using widgets and shortcodes. In this video, I will show you how to display filters using widgets and shortcodes in WooCommerce. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Filters. Now, copy the shortcode of your product filter. Go to Appearance and click on Widgets. In Product Filters, add an element titled Shortcode. Now, add your product filter shortcode. Let's add a product filter using widgets. Click on Add Block and add your required filter, like Filter by Price. Now, let's add a note for the product filter. Click on the Add Block button and search for notes. Add a note for the product filters. In Filters, you can select a simple filter, project, or filters for the product archive. Once the filters are added, click on the Update button. We have successfully saved our widgets. You can also use the product filter shortcode to display filters in pages or posts. Now let's go to the Shop page to preview our product filters. On the left side of our Shop page, we can see filters like categories, tags, and price filters. That's it. In this video, we have learned how to display filters using widgets and shortcodes. We have added product filters and notes for product filters. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.